Replace the toner cartridge for the HP LaserJet Enterprise 8501 and HP LaserJet Enterprise MFP 8601 printer series. If the printer toner levels are running low and no longer yield good print quality, replace the toner cartridge with a new one. It is recommended that you only replace your toner cartridge with a genuine HP cartridge. HP cannot guarantee the quality or safety of non-HP parts. Open the front toner access door. On the control panel, select the Supplies button. Select the Eject button to eject the cartridge. Grasp the end of the toner cartridge and pull it straight out from the printer. Remove the new cartridge from the packaging. While holding both ends of the toner, rock the cartridge side to side about 5 or 6 times to distribute the toner. Remove the cartridge seal from the toner cartridge. Align the cartridge with its slot and insert the new toner cartridge into the printer. Close the front toner access door. To recycle the used cartridge, go to hp.com/recycle to learn how.